Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now.